How you will meet your death, you're deciding it today. Which one of these two deaths wait for you is being played out right now in your life. Every choice you make, every decision you take, you are setting yourself up for one of these two endings. And only you and Allah Azza wa Jal know which one of those two you are setting yourselves up for. You need to ask yourselves every time you go to perform an action, will this action bring me the ending that I want? Because if it doesn't, you should leave it alone. You should run away from it as much as you can. You should run away from it, because that ending is waiting for everyone, one of two ways. And these two people, I want to tell you something about them. These two people, as they're sitting in their graves, one of them every day will be making a dua, and the other one will be making a dua. The believer who has been promised the mercy of Allah, the pleasures of Jannah, he has one dua for Allah every day. Ya Rabbi, aqim as-sa'a. My Lord, establish the hour. My Lord, bring the day of judgment quickly, because I want what is promised to me. Ya Rabbi, aqim as-sa'a. And the other person in the grave is saying, Ya Rabbi, never allow the hour to be established. Please, never allow the hour to be established. He would rather be tortured in his grave for eternity than face Allah on the day of judgment, because he knows what's waiting for him. So these are two totally different ways to end your life. There are many different ways to live your life. You can live your life however you want. To each his own, as they say. Eat, drink, and be merry. Enjoy it while you got it. You only live once. No. You only die once. You live forever. You die only once. So you can live your life however you want, but you will die one of two ways. And that decision is all in your hands. You can't blame anyone for that, except for yourselves.